This segment is sponsored and produced by Tamar in Hamilton, PA. Let's continue. We left off, we were speaking about the legal requirements of the power of attorney. And I mentioned that the power of attorney must be executed in front of 2 witnesses and a notary. Keep in mind that under Florida law, the notary may be one of the witnesses. So 2 witnesses, if your notary has to be there anyway, you really need one other witness. Key point here, your witness must be someone unrelated to you, and you do not want the person or persons you are granting that power to be one of the witness. And yes, I said it right, person or persons. You can name more than one person in your power of attorney. So let's continue to talk about the component of your power of attorney. So we talked about, for example, I given my daughter power of attorney. Yep, so she would be my first person. But I also have a son. And so I'm allowed to name my son or any other person as an alternate person. And I recommend that we do that. And this comes in play. For example, let's say my daughter was not available for whatever reason, or is no longer wishes to act as my power of attorney. At least I have named 1 or 2 other persons that could step into that role, especially in my absence or in a situation where I need someone to assist me immediately or speak on my behalf in the different areas in which the power of attorney covers. And we're going to get into that later on. So those are the main legal requirements. You must be of sound mind. You must be capable to sign these documents on your own, right? So you cannot give someone authorization to sign a power of attorney on your behalf. You have to be of sound mind, capable of executing that. And that's why it's important that that is done in front of a notary and your witnesses. All right, so we have pretty much covered the legal requirements. We are now going to start talking about the different types of powers of attorney. Now, remember, my slogan that I have learned from law school, and I will always continue to share this with my clients: ink is cheap, litigation is expensive. We can name any document to match the power that you want to grant. It can be general or it can be specific. Stay tuned. This segment was sponsored and produced by Tamar in Hamilton, PA.